This recipe is for a rich and creamy butter chicken. Ingredients for the chicken marinade: 28 ounces, 800 grams, boneless and skinless breasts cut into bite-sized pieces. Half cup plain yogurt. 1½ tablespoons of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. 2 teaspoons of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. For the sauce: 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of ghee or 1 tablespoon butter plus 1 tablespoon oil. 1 large onion, sliced or chopped. 1½ tablespoons of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of ginger, minced or finely grated. 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin. 1½ teaspoons of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. 14 ounces, 400 grams, crushed tomatoes. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1¼ teaspoon salt. 1 cup of heavy or thickened cream. 1 tablespoon sugar. ½ teaspoon kasuri methi. Combine the chicken with all of the ingredients for the chicken marinade in a bowl and let it marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. Heat the oil in a large skillet or pot over medium-high heat. When sizzling, add chicken pieces in batches of 2 or 3, making sure not to crowd the pan. Fry until brown for only 3 minutes on each side and set aside and keep warm. Heat the butter or ghee in the same pan. Fry the onions until they start to sweat, about 6 minutes, while scraping up any brown bits stuck on the bottom of the pan. Add garlic and ginger and sauté for 1 minute until fragrant, then add ground coriander, cumin and garam masala. Let cook for about 20 seconds until fragrant, while stirring occasionally. Add crushed tomatoes, chili powder and salt. Let simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until sauce thickens and becomes a deep brown red color. Remove from heat, scoop mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. You may need to add a couple tablespoons of water to help it blend, up to 1/4 cup. Pour the pureed sauce back into the pan. Stir the cream, sugar and crushed kasuri methi through the sauce. Add the chicken with juices back into the pan and cook for an additional 8 to 10 minutes until chicken is cooked through and the sauce is thick and bubbling. Garnish with chopped cilantro and serve with fresh, hot garlic butter rice and fresh homemade naan bread.